This is Socrative, Section 3, Cost Behavior, Level A. What is cost behavior analysis? Is it the study of how a firm's costs relate to a competitor's costs? No, not at all. And nothing to do with a competitor. Is it the study of how specific costs respond to activity level changes? Yeah, that's what it is. Is it a variation of the high-low? No, the high-low is a method of breaking out fixed and variable. Is it an assumption that all costs increase over time? No, that is not true. All costs do not increase over time. The answer here is B. Which statement describes a fixed cost? It varies in total? No, it does not vary. It remains the same in total. The amount per unit varies depending on the activity level. Yeah, that's true. Its total varies proportionally to the level of activity. No, not true. It remains the same per unit. No, that's a variable cost. So your answer here is B. The amount per unit varies depending on the activity level. If the activity level goes up, the fixed cost per unit goes down. Which one of the following is a name for the level of activity over which a company expects to operate? Well, the answer is simply relevant range. If a company identifies it has a mixed cost, which one of the following is a reasonable option? It should break it into its variable cost element and its fixed cost. Yes, it should. It should consider the cost to be fixed. No. It should consider it to be variable. No. The only answer here is A. What happens to total cost if the activity level increases 10%? It remains the same? No. It will change. They will increase by less than 10%. Yeah, the variable cost will increase by 10, but the fixed cost will go down. So, they will decrease? No. And they will increase by 10? No, they will not increase by 10 because the fixed will not increase. And so therefore, in total, they will increase by less than 10. When 10,000 units are produced, fixed costs are $14. Okay? Therefore, when 20,000 are produced, fixed cost will be, it will increase to 28? No. Will remain at 14 per unit? No, it'll go down. It'll go down to 7 per unit. So the answer here is C. When 10,000 units are produced, variable cost is $6 per unit. Therefore, when 20,000 units are produced, variable cost will total 120,000. Yes, that's true, it will. Variable cost will total 60? No. Variable cost will increase? No, it remains the same per unit, and it won't decrease. So the answer here is A. Within the relevant range, if there is a change in the activity level, then the fixed and variable costs will change. No, the fixed will remain the same. Variable will change. Fixed and variable cost per unit will remain the same. No, the variable cost per unit will remain the same, but fixed will decrease. Fixed cost per unit will remain the same, and variable cost per unit will change. No, it's the other way around. Fixed cost per unit will change, and variable costs will remain the same. So the answer here is D. Within the relevant range, if there is a change in the activity level, then total fixed costs and total variable costs will change. No. Total fixed costs and total variable will remain the same. No. Total fixed costs will remain the same, yes, and total variable costs will change, yeah. Total fixed costs will change, no, variable costs. So the answer here is C. A band of normal activity of volume with specific cost-volume relationships maintained is the relevant range. So there you have it. How did you do?